What is a ceili dance? Have you ever wondered what happens when music fills the air and people come together to dance in joyful harmony? That's the magic of a ceili dance. A ceili dance is a lively and traditional form of Irish folk dancing that brings people together in groups. It's not just about the steps, it's about celebrating Irish culture and heritage. In a ceili dance, you will find a varying number of dancers who follow specific patterns and steps, all to the rhythm of traditional Irish music. This music often features instruments like fiddles, flutes, and accordions, creating an atmosphere that invites everyone to join in. Both men and women participate, making it a truly communal experience. The roots of ceili dancing trace back several centuries, with origins in the Celtic and Druidic communities of Ireland around the 1500s. These dances were part of local celebrations and gatherings, often linked to festivals known as festina. These festivals continue today, celebrating Irish music and dance with great enthusiasm. As time went on, ceili dancing became more structured. In the 18th century, dance masters traveled through Irish towns, teaching formalized steps and dances. This helped to standardize the dances, making them recognizable across different regions. In the early 20th century, the Irish Dancing Commission was established to preserve and codify ceili dances. This led to an official collection of about 30 recognized dances that dance teachers must learn to be certified. These dances feature various formations, including lines, circles, and squares. You might see formations like hays, which are lines of dancers facing each other, round dances, and quadrilles. Ceili dancing is not just a performance. It is a social event that fosters community spirit and cultural identity. For travelers visiting Ireland, attending a ceili dance is a unique opportunity to experience authentic Irish social customs. It allows you to participate in a lively cultural tradition and connect with locals through music and dance. Many towns and cultural centers host ceili nights where visitors can join in. This makes it a memorable way to engage with Irish heritage firsthand. So, if you find yourself in Ireland, don't miss the chance to experience the joy of a ceili dance. It's a celebration of life, community, and the rich traditions that make Ireland so special.